Five ways you are actually killing your car. Point number one on how you're killing your car is you're not driving it enough. Like what we have just showed you. This car came to my showroom in a tow truck, and then people actually tow it here because they have not been driving it for the past 6 months. Not only that the battery actually runs out, but if you're not driving the car enough, and then it's always parked at the stationary position, and then you create some sort of a flat spot on the tire, and then when you drive it, you feel like you're actually bumping up and down. That's actually from the flat spot of the tire, because tires are rubber, and then when it's parked long enough, it actually creates a flat spot. So the second way that you're killing your car is actually ignoring all the check engine lights, the warning lights, something like this. You know, these days there are most cars runs on a lot of electronics and ECUs. So try not to ignore all this. When things like that happen, send the car back to your reputable or authorized workshop to get everything checked out, so that you know, you're safe to drive on the road, right? So the third way that you're killing your car is by missing out on service intervals or servicing it way after the time, the recommended time. And can you guys actually believe it? We were in one of the forums the other day, and there were some comments that the 10,000 or the regular service intervals set by the workshop is actually too short, and is actually a scam by the workshop to actually rip you guys off. But in actual fact, it's not.
The way that they designed the 10 kilometers or 15,000 kilometers is actually to make sure that all these small issues are replaced, the small parts are replaced before they become very expensive to replace in the long term.
Yeah, so service your car at the recommended interval, which is very important. This will save you in the long run, save you a lot of money in the long run.
The fourth way you're killing your car is you're not watching the pressure of your car tires. And also, if you don't watch out for the tire pressure, it will also affect the fuel efficiency and also the handling of your car. Okay, so if you want to know the car tire pressure for your car, there will usually be a sticker by the side of your door. Over here, as you can see, 290 for the front tires and 325 for the back tires.
And the fifth way that you're going to kill the car and potentially yourself is actually ignoring recalls. So what is a recall? Recall are usually a statement issued by the manufacturers where they find certain fault in a certain product, where they will encourage you to send the car back to their workshop to get the parts changed. And in the recent years, there was a recall on a particular brand for their airbags, and what happened was they found out those airbags were not deployed when it was met with an accident, and I believe during that case there were some life lost. So yes, when there's a recall, make sure you send the car back.
Okay, so completing a recall not only saves your life, but also it helps to preserve the value of your car, and also it helps the car to run a bit better. So there's no reason for you not to do your recall.
So there is 5 ways on how not to kill your car and potentially yourself.
Okay, so if you like our content, remember to press like below and subscribe to our channel.
See you next week.